Money Hunter, where I teach you guys how to make money. Today's video is so excited. Okay, I'm so excited in today's video because we are going to cash out on Appusd. Okay, we are going to cash out on Appusd. I have been talking about Appusd for months now, and people that understand my legit way of making money dive in and start making money with me. And a lot of people are still waiting for miracle to happen. Okay, you can create that miracle by joining Appusd. I'm going to show you everything here, and we are going to withdraw $40 from Appusd, and this is my tutorial account. Okay, other Appusd accounts that I have up to 1000 plus. Okay, I have the one. If you watch this video, you will see the one I withdraw at least $1,100 from this one. Okay, you can go and watch this video. This is to show you that this Appusd is really working. Let's dive in. Let me show you everything. And if you follow me from beginning to the end, I'm going to blow your mind because there's something that I'm cooking. Okay, and everybody is going to eat a lot of from the pot. Okay, everybody is going to eat a lot from the pot. So watch this video from beginning to the end so that I will reveal this secret that we're going to make you a millionaire in no due time. Okay, so make sure you watch from beginning to the end. Have you subscribed to this YouTube channel? If you haven't done that, please rush now and subscribe. Okay, because I drop legit video on how to make money with different strategies. Okay, so guys, let's go. Let me show you how we can do this together. So what do we need to do? We are going to come to our Appusd. Okay, we are going to come to our Appusd. This is Appusd. So let me start afresh so that we can do this together. Okay, we click on overview. So you can see that academy is open now. This is another mind blowing. I'm going to come to this academy. Okay, and this is the benefit of joining their academy. Okay, exclusive access to Launchpad Signal, not extra cost. You are going to be getting Launchpad Signal. Do you know what it means to get access to their Launchpad Signal? If you really know what Launchpad is all about, you won't make any mistake by delaying not to invest in this particular Appusd platform. Okay, you need to invest at least. If you have up to $20 and above, you can invest in this Appusd. Okay, this is the academy is now open and a lot of things to learn, especially this Launchpad trading. You are going to be trading on your own. You are going to get the legit airdrop or Launchpad that will make you millions with their signal. Their signal is authentic. That's what they are using to trade. And after trading, they give you your percentage with that $20, $30, $40, $1,000, $2,000. They are going to be giving you your percentage every day. Okay, this is mind blowing. They are giving you your percentage by trading for you, and you will also get the same signal they are using to trade for themselves. You are going to be getting it free of charge. And after getting it, you can get all these tokens that will make you millions. The same thing they are doing. If it's not working, how do you think that they are paying you? They are doing this live trading. If you watch, I'm going to show you where they are doing this live trading. They are trading for you, using your money to trade and share the profit with you. And now they are telling you that you can do the same thing, doing it by yourself. And the money you invested, they are going to be, giving you your profit. Okay, guys, you guys need to come and make money with this Appusd. Access to both free and premium courses. Yes, you can get access. Just come to this place and read all those things. But if you are not a participant, you are not going to have access to this academy. Okay, but if you register and join my WhatsApp group where I teach about Launchpad trading, and Telegram group where I also teach about Launchpad trading, you don't have anything to worry because I'm going to be showing you everything we are doing in this Appusd. Okay, I'm going to reveal the secret to you. So let me cut this place. Let me go down to show you more. Let me show you more. Okay, because I love showing you everything the way it is. You can see where they are trading. Okay, this is they bought this DORKL. You can see it. Then it's on Uniswap. This is what they are doing. They are buying and selling. Okay, this is what they are doing. I want you to be part of this. Register with the link in the description so that you can be part of this. Okay, there's a lot to learn. There's a lot of money to earn with Appusd. So you can come to this place and see that I have made 40.49. Okay, you can see 40.49 that I have made, and the sales value I have 820 trade in this particular account. This is mind blowing. I'm going to show you how you can withdraw right now. So how do you withdraw? We are going to withdraw in this OKX. Okay, we are making use of OKX. If you don't have OKX, please rush now. Okay, if you don't have OKX, rush now and create accounts. Okay, on OKX, use the link in the description to create account with OKX. Verify your account, do your KYC, then wait to my next video. Okay, there's reason why I'm going to put this money here. There's a lot of reason why that I want to put this money on OKX. Okay, please make sure you join OKX right now. Okay, join, fund your account, use the link to register, then fund the account and wait for my next signal, because it's a mind blowing. You are going to make millions using this strategy that I'm going to show you on OKX. Okay, make sure. Okay, fund your account. Okay, you can use from $10, $20, $30. If you have $5, you can also add it. I'm going to show you how you can add it also. So once you create your account successful, what you need to do is your account will look like this. You can see that I have $0 here. I don't have money here. We are going to use this USDT, okay, to add money on this account. This is the same thing that I want you to do. Use this USDT, add money, because I'm going to drop the next video maybe today or tomorrow morning. Being maybe I drop it today, I will still drop it today or tomorrow morning. So always check my update, okay, on Telegram or on our WhatsApp group where I'm going to drop this. So once I click on this USDT, you can see that they have different addresses. They have Ethereum, they have Tron, they have OKTC, they have BNB chain, they have Polygon, you have a lot of it, but you are going to make use of this Tron here. You click on, just always remember that whatever you click, that's where your money is going to enter. Okay, so we are making use of Tron. Okay, this is Tron TRC20, this is it. So we copy the address. Okay, we copy the address by clicking on this place. So after copying the address, what next do we need to do? We are going back to our Appusd. We are going back to our Appusd. So we come back to Appusd. This is it. How do we withdraw this money, this $40? We click on this place, this three line here. Then we click on this withdraw. So we click on withdraw fund. If you want to know how to register on Appusd, click on the link below. You are still going to see a link to register, and you are still going to see the video where I will drop there, okay, so that you can register with Appusd and participate on what is making a lot of people money here. So I click on this. You can see that the token is USDC TRC20. You can see it here. Withdrawal address, I'm going to paste that address here. So the amount, I'm going to click on this $40 here. $40, 40.49. Okay, I'm going to click on withdraw. You can see that the you can see here, note that 30% of your account of your $40 will be of the requested amount will be paid to your saving wallet. Okay, and then 70%, which is 28.34, will be paid into the wallet provided. Okay, continue. What they mean here is that they are going to put some they are going to save some USDT for me. Okay, they are going to be saving it for me, so that in my next, if once it's up to 400%, okay, once that cycle that I show you for the previous video reach, I'm going to use that money they are saving for me to reinvest. Okay, this is to show you that these people mean business. You are not going to go broke with this platform. Okay, this is a promise. You are not going to go broke with this platform. So guys, I click on OK here. You can see it here. This is the account. So I'm going to enter the email. So once I click on this get code here, I'm going to get code. So you can see that OTP successful sent to your account. You can see the OTP here. Let me enter it right now. 77 65139. So I click on continue. Your withdrawal has been received and is being processed. You can always view the status of your withdrawal from withdrawal history. Okay, so I click on this place, so you can see the withdrawal here, and you can see this creating here. I did the first one but rejected because I have bad network. So you can see it here for 40.49. You can see it here. So I'm going to wait for me to get it in my OKX. Okay, so I'm refreshing this page. So let me go back. Okay, so I click on this place. So you can see that I'm having my main balance is 0.00. Okay, you can see that my sales value is 823.88. You can see that I have saved that $1 here. Okay, I can use it to reinvest again. So you can see zero deposit. So you can see that withdrawal, the total withdrawal here is 143. You can see it here, and we are still coming down. Here you can see that I'm still at 25. You can see it here. This is 25%. So I think I got message from OKX. I think so. It's waiting right here. It's waiting, through waiting. So you can see that here I have gotten the amount. You can see it here. I got 26.94 USDT. I click on here to confirm it. This is to show you that everything that I have been showing you here is legit and is working. Okay, so I don't know why you are still wasting time. I don't know why you are still wasting time on this. I don't know why you are still wasting time. So you can see the transaction type confirmed. You can see it. So we're still coming down. This is just token. You can see that status is successful. That's the status, successful. So you can see it here. Let me show you well so that you can see it. I'm click on my OKX. So I go back. So you can see something like receive 28 here. This is it. You can see it here, 28.94. You can see it USDT. So this is just to show you that this is working. Okay, so what you need to do right now, rush now and go and create OKX. Okay, try and create OKX. Then after creating OKX, fund your account with, at least if you have up to $26, if you have up to $100, if you have up to $200, any amount at all, just get your account funded. I'm going to teach you something that is going to make you millions in no due time. Okay, so we are going to make a lot of money. Like you guys knows that anything that I say here, 80 to 90% going to pass, and that simple mean that before I do anything here, I check my signal. Okay, because I got signal, and I'm going to show you or tell you about this signal once I have a lot of comment. Okay, if you need this signal, it's free of charge. I got this signal $500, but I'm going to give you this signal free of charge. So if you want to get this signal where you can be getting confirmation on where you can get legit Launchpad and how you can make millions using Launchpad, I need comment. Okay, I need comment in the comment section. Make sure you use the link to register on OKX, and also make sure you register on Appusd. Then get ready because I'm going to drop this video after this video right now. Okay, so make sure that you keep winning, and make sure you follow all our social medias. Follow me on Telegram channel, follow our Telegram channel, follow our WhatsApp group. Okay, follow our WhatsApp group where I teach how you can make money with Launchpad. I teach a lot of things on how to make money online. Okay, legit way. Okay, so after that, make sure you smash that subscription button and turn on the notification bell. See you at the top. Bye bye.